Yaba solve Leetcode 647 Palindromic Substring. This is one of the questions I said will solve it and sign I will try Leetcode 5 longest palindromic substring. But basically one my string, and I'm seeing returning the number of palindromic substring in that string. And I'm actually say a palindrome, a string is a palindrome when it reads the same from backward as forward, right? Into kind of anyway the same, or kind of the same, right? No, my example first on now, my BB to say A, B, C. A no reading from backwards are the same, right? B so reading from backwards are the same. C so reading from backwards are the same, right? Into no another you 3 different palindromic substrings from away. You know much will say A, B, C, right? Another one I must say my A, right? A no on its own no o can feel any man or can feel each the same, right? Into no quite 1. A is reaching a horn by 1. A is reaching a horn by 1 and also plus 3. Of our ways here, right? And also here 1 substring plus 1. Also have 5 ways in the way as well. And also here palindrome here, right? Into 6, right? Into no my A menu and 888. Now, for example, we so to say. First of all, no cry. It's open so palindrome, right? Into my, for example, we will say B A B A D, right? Into say PC substring another. You bet me use 2 pointers. Need now start here free left and a right. Need now start here for the same point. Left and right will start from 0. Until far left or start to us here. No on my right and I could say, on my left and so I could say, right? And until at that point, left and the right, they're the same, you know, be a substring. You can't feel any man, I can future, but so also be has here, right? Like I say, okay, me call has here, many B, me call right and many B, me call left and many B, until never be BAB so a palindrome because you can't feel any man, I can feature the same thing, right? Into sign be has here, and left and of course here, obinya Ewa. Aba, right? In the way a friend like say any point be about be right? Right and uncle say, now left and uncle say. So long as I right and the left near equal when you're palindrome, right? If so we say you say nearby say B and a B never near the same. When you see you say near nearby say right, left and a right and a the same. Into now a palindrome, right? But yes, spreading say no. There can be a case like say maybe C B B D. If I see a non quite a palindrome, right? But if I B isn't quite a palindrome, isn't quite a palindrome. But see if I 2 9, see if I say you know B na say B in left. And correct you nya palindrome that you nya more than you nya 3 letters say palindrome, but say if cause when you left now when you right and the left be equal it's in nya palindrome, right? It's usually no say even number na over dealing with say. So as you take into consideration situations like this and a situation where you order bit imagine if you know left and right, into when your word be so perform or treating with left and right pointer no starting from the same point which is something like this. And now say left and the right pointer and S starting from different points. And this is starting from different points like this one. We be a palindrome, right? Into yanko na yanko solve and yan shade the way a bit to solve our question way. It's first of all intro function now get a palindrome, right? Into def is equal to def gets palindrome. Here left and a right pointer. Any here string no so right? And set the results to equal to 0 for now. Until while say left no a greater or equal to 0 and a right no a less than length of the string and s at index left say is still equal to s at index right in your palindrome until be increase count now by 1. Near shift to left now akweche back. You move right now so akweneni back. Right. Where your situation now your far index be now you be call left near call right now. It is so long as left and right near equal to no in your palindrome into your count increase count now, right? Into we are near return results. Now I fancy I will form a loop now. The final answer now say 0 for I in range length of s. You better perform a palindromic, you better palindrome function now. Answer plus or equal to get palindrome into I to see how the left and right now will start from the same point. Yes, right. And in this example, left, right, starting from the same point. The second scenario now see you taking is one left and the right now. Any nine starting from the similar spot by starting from one spot apart. Into a no so you bear no answer plus or equal to get palindrome I plus 1 and a s. Okay, so I plus 1 and a s. Interior near returning answer. Okay, this is how function when they determine say you be a palindrome. It's here making sure as a left and a right is within bounds. Way na check is a left and a right near equal. You are near shifted right. Left and a corner say na right no so a corner name say. And because right in the corner into a positive into the plus 1, left in the corner into a negative. Okay, and it's in a left and a right so 10. So the answer is correct and as my see here. Okay, get palindrome no mass spelling here I say so get underscore palindrome. Alright, and to say any solve a palindromic substring. Thank you for watching. Like and share, not subscribe. Alright, like I say.